The Serbian Ministry of Defense announced a major upgrade to the nation's defense capabilities with the acquisition of Thales Ground Master radar systems, including the GM400 Alpha and GM200 models. Integrated into the 126th Air Surveillance, Signaling and Guidance Brigade, these advanced radars are a crucial part of Serbia's strategy to modernize its air defense infrastructure and boost airspace security. The GM400 Alpha is a long-range 3D air surveillance radar with a detection range of up to 515 kilometers and elevation coverage up to 40 degrees. Housed in a 20-foot container with an integrated lifting system, it can be quickly redeployed on a truck in less than an hour. With integrated decoys to improve survivability, this radar enhances Serbia's ability to monitor the skies for all types of aerial threats, from high-altitude jets to low-reflection targets. Complementing the GM400 Alpha is the GM200, a medium-range radar system specifically designed for detecting unmanned aerial vehicles (UAVs). With a surveillance range of 250 kilometers and an engagement range of 100 kilometers, the GM200 can track a wide range of targets, including UAVs, helicopters, and missiles. Its mobility, mounted on high-mobility vehicles, ensures rapid deployment and flexibility in the field. To ensure effective operation of these sophisticated systems, the Serbian Armed Forces have implemented a comprehensive training program for their personnel. Members of the 126th Brigade undergo both theoretical and practical lessons on operating the GM400 and GM200 radars. This training, conducted in Serbia and in collaboration with France, is crucial for preparing personnel to join combat duty teams responsible for continuous airspace monitoring and threat detection. These new radar systems are just one part of a broader effort to modernize the Serbian military. Serbia has already acquired 22 Thales GM radars, including GM60 and GS40 variants, deployed at strategic locations across the country. These radars significantly enhance Serbia's ability to detect a wide variety of aerial threats, strengthening its national defense. In addition to the radar systems, Serbia has also invested in other new and upgraded military technologies. The country has introduced domestically produced Milos-M combat vehicles, BRDM-2MS armored vehicles, and new reconnaissance Humvees. It has also bolstered its air defense capabilities with FK-3 and HQ-17AE missile systems and new helicopters, including MiG-35P models and Airbus H-145M helicopters. Looking to the future, Serbia continues to modernize its forces. The country is planning to acquire PULS artillery rocket systems and Hermes 900 reconnaissance drones from Israel, as well as 12 French Rafale fighter jets to diversify its military partnerships. Additionally, Serbia is strengthening its air defense with the deployment of Chinese FK-3 systems and expanding its surveillance capabilities with new drones. With these advancements, Serbia is ensuring that its military is ready for the challenges of the future, focusing on operational efficiency and readiness. The continued modernization of the Serbian Armed Forces, including the possible reintroduction of compulsory military service, shows the country's commitment to maintaining a strong defense force. Through these efforts, including the integration of the Thales GM radar systems, Serbia is strengthening its air defense capabilities and positioning itself as a powerful force in the region. The Serbian Armed Forces are now better equipped than ever to protect the nation's airspace and ensure its security in the years to come.